Number one, that would be a 2013 to 2019 Ford Flex Limited all-wheel drive EcoBoost. This came equipped with 3.5 liter V6, 365 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60, what we talking? 6.2 seconds. The tow capacity of this was 4,500 pounds. So, this car is definitely better than a lot of people give it credit for. This was actually average to above average reliability. This car is going to handle all your needs. Now, when this initially came out, a lot of people did not like the design. They did not like the boxy shape. They thought it was ugly. Me personally, I think the later years of this car is relatively attractive. I think it doesn't look like anything else on the road, and it has all the space that you need, and it's actually quick.